All right, let's take a look at a case, an iPhone 14 case. This is a waterproof case. It's sealed all around. It's perfect for those that are going to be traveling or going taking a vacation and you want to take your phone with you and not damage it, or you just want to make sure you cover your phone, the expensive phone. So let's see what's included in here. So they give you a couple of things that you should be aware, right? They give you a cleaning cloth, all right? The wipe one and wipe two, and this is perfect because they also give you a cloth in there and also a wrist band if you want to tie this up in case you travel, like I said. And then include it, you could just remove this part of it, and then if you guys can see, this is where you actually magnetize the actual phone and you could charge it from there. That it gives you a little distinguisher in the back. So if you're ever gonna need to put in your phone in there, you can go ahead remove the blue first, but we're not gonna do that yet until we're set to go. So you pretty much just seal the phone in there, and that's it. That's pretty much it does. All right. So access to all the buttons are available here. So you got one button here, and then you still have access to the actual speaker, and then you have to open it up to actually get the charger working. All right. So this is not a deep submergible waterproof system. All right. Just to be aware that, these are perfect for those that are going to be traveling. You drop your phone. It's an impact. It could take some impact. It could take some waterproof, but like you said, a lot of things are not 100% waterproof. So just be aware that only certain feet, right, on every single item. All right, so we're going to put it together and just make sure that you know which buttons which. Remove all the plastic before putting it in there. So we are going to be facing down for the charging and the actual connection for the speakers. All right, so make sure you're aware of that first when you do that. Right, it's very simple. All the buttons are accessible. Now removing the phone is a little bit tricky. After, if you want to remove it, you got to maybe use a credit card to remove it. All right, all the buttons are functionable. All right, you have access to your camera, your charging station. You got access to charge your station too, and your speakers. Very simple, and your microphone. I like that. The whole system's very secure. Fits very well. You guys can see that. Camera's functional in there. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.